হ্যালো ফ্রেন্ডস অ্যান্ড ওয়েলকাম টু তানভিরস টেক টক। সো আজকে থেকে নতুন সিরিজ শুরু করব যেখানে কিনা আমি ছোটো ছোটো ভিডিওস বানাবো ম্যাক সম্বন্ধে ছোটো ছোটো টিপস অ্যান্ড ট্রিক্স নিয়ে, এবং এই সেকশনটার নাম রেখেছি আমি ম্যাক কুইক টিপস। সো এই কুইক টিপস আমরা ইংলিশে করব বিকজ আই ওয়ান্ট টু রিচ এ ওয়াইডার লেভেল অফ অডিয়েন্স। সো দিস ইজ নট জাস্ট ফর বাংলাদেশি অডিয়েন্স, দিস ইজ অ্যাকচুয়ালি ফর গ্লোবাল অডিয়েন্স। এবং আমি এই ভিডিওগুলো শুধু যে আমি বাংলাদেশি প্ল্যাটফর্মে প্লেস করবো তা না, আমি এটা অ্যাকচুয়ালি ইন্টারন্যাশনাল প্ল্যাটফর্ম এবং গ্রুপগুলোতেও পোস্ট করবো, সো দ্যাট আই গেট মোর সাবস্ক্রাইবার্স ফ্রম মেনি ডিফারেন্ট কান্ট্রিজ. So let's start with the first Mac quick tip. So today's first quick tip is hot corner. আজকের প্রথম কুইক টিপ হচ্ছে হট কর্নার। এই হট কর্নার কি ভাই? হট কর্নার ফিচারটা কি? হোয়াট ইজ দিস হট কর্নার ফিচার? ওয়েল, the Mac screen has 4 corners which are considered hot corners, which means that if you take your mouse to any one of these 4 corners, it's going to execute a special action. Now before we start with the hot corners, I'm going to show you how to enable hot corners. So in order to enable hot corners, we have to go to system preference. So how do you go to system preference? Follow my mouse. From Apple logo, go to system preference. Inside system preference, you will find desktop and screensavers. Inside screensaver, if you're in the desktop, then you have to shift to screensaver. You will find this option called hot corners. So let's click on it. So this hot corner shows us that there are 4 corners of the screen which are hot, and you can assign certain different types of actions to it. Let's assign an action to the lower right corner. What should it be? Let's look at the options. Since I was a Windows user, one of the features I liked was you can click on the lower right corner and go to your desktop directly. Now there's an action for this in gestures for the trackpad, but this will be easier if I can set it up by taking the mouse to just the corner, right? So let's do that. So we click here and we find that there's a desktop option. We click on it and okay. So now when I take my mouse, look what happens. Voila, we're in the desktop. So all of the apps and everything goes away and you see the desktop. And if you want to go back again, so just click on here. You will notice that when you pick desktop or go to desktop, the apps are actually pushed towards the edges, but they're still sort of visible. So let's open some other apps and let's see how this desktop function works with different types of apps on the screen. So let's open Safari and let's open Finder and let's open Calendar. Okay, so I have many apps on my desktop and I want to go and pick my desktop. So take my mouse there and everything is shifted and you can see your desktop, and you can open an app, or you can open your Finder from desktop, or you can close it, and when you are done, just go to the edge and click and everything comes back. So that's one function of how you can go to your desktop quickly even if you're working with many different apps and windows. What other functions can I assign? Let's look at it. So let's add another function in the top right. So maybe with the top right, I want to go to Launchpad. So I set that and say okay. And now if I want to go to the Launchpad, I just have to take my mouse to the upper right corner and I'm in Launchpad. So there are certain actions that you can do if you just use the hot corner option, and you can set the 4 corners of your screen to do any of the functions listed. Let's look at the functions that you can do. So you can actually peek at a desktop, you can open mission control, you can start or disable screensaver, and you can actually put the display to sleep. That is actually very useful because if you have to leave your desktop for some time, you can just put the screen to sleep so that no one else can view what you're working on. So guys, how do you like my quick tips video? So these videos are going to be short and in English so that I can actually approach a wider audience from various groups and various countries. If you like my video and if you want me to do more quick tips for you, then please subscribe my channel and support me by giving comments and likes on my videos. Hope to see you soon in the next quick tips video.